1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 waterfalls in this map, but there are actually 7. My red X marks the spot. The sound of the water supply coming from the waterfalls really scares me. Pounding the ground with sticks makes it so the snakes know that you're coming. At least I think it's supposed to work. Whoa. I wonder what lives in that little hole. Actually, I don't want to know. Oh no, I lost my friend. Where'd you go? You're supposed to be keeping me safe from snakes.
Okay, go.
I'm afraid because no one else is in here.
Why?
Who knows what's in here? I'm scared. No, haven't seen any snakes, but haven't seen any snakes.
That'd be nice, huh? To see them.
No, it wouldn't be nice. I don't want to see them.
But this way there are poisonous snakes. Think you have a locality where the king cobra is, next day is in another place.
So they're very
No,
migrant creatures.
But the only thing, if you really want to see king cobras, is to stay longer period in an area and to tell all the people, if you have one in your house or in your garden, so call me. Then you can run and you will see it.
Well, I'm not staying here for a long period.
At least 100 people has to know that you are looking for king cobras.
Yeah.
They have to phone you.
This waterfall may not be on any map, but people sure seem to find it.